Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Facebook ads versus SEO and which one is better. Now, I just want to say that Facebook ads sucks for generating instant sales, now, especially for home service businesses. Now, I'm going to explain why. Now, I'm pretty sure some of you guys already spent some money on Facebook ads, and probably you guys lost a ton of money by doing that, whether you have run it by yourself or maybe you have hired someone, an agency or something like that, that probably lost a lot of money on Facebook ads. Now, the problem is Facebook ads sucks for generating instant sales. Now, I'm going to explain why. First of all, we just need to understand this. Okay, social media ads are built for top of funnel marketing. So what is top of funnel marketing? So top of funnel marketing is basically building awareness, right? So you build awareness about your product or service that you offer to your target customers or potential customers. And then that's how you build a brand recognition and build trust and stuff like that. So you can see the top of funnel here. So let's say you're running Facebook ads by targeting a certain audience, and then you probably find out that, okay, some of them are not interested in my product. Maybe you have run an ad, like a video ad, and people didn't saw like most part of your video. Then okay, these people, I have to exclude them. People that saw most of your video, you're gonna retarget them. And even in the middle funnel, those people who showed some sort of interest, then you're gonna retarget them again. And that's how you actually generate leads and sales. Now, this system works for different type of products and like services, but not for home services. Now, I'm going to explain why. It's because Facebook doesn't have a lot of data about people. So like Facebook knows how old are you. Facebook knows where do you live, where you live. Facebook knows probably some of the things you're interested in. So this type of marketing, like social media marketing, like top of funnel marketing, is good for products that are built or made for a large audience, like a large base of customers. Like, for example, if you are a beauty product company, then you know who's your ideal customers are, right? So there are, let's say, women from age 15 to age 45 or 50. They live in this area. You target that, you target their age, you target their interest. That's how you build your funnel. But what happens with your home service business is that, let's say you are a pool business, like a pool service business. Facebook doesn't know who is looking for a pool service at that moment. They can guess, but most of the time their guessing is wrong. That's why you see tons of uh, like low quality leads, leads that are from people that are not interested in your service. So if you call them back, you see that the percentage of your chance of like closing deal is really, really low. Is this because social media was actually built for D2C brand, DTC brand, like products or service that applies for a lot of people, like also courses, e-products actually do well with Facebook ads and other social media marketing ads. Now, if you talk about SEO, which means for search engine optimization, is a bottom of funnel marketing. And basically, as a home service business, like a pool cleaning company or a pool service company or a pool building or remodeling company, this is the best type of marketing for you. Now, I'm going to explain why. Just think about this. Someone who's looking for a pool cleaner or a pool cleaning company, what they're going to do, they're going to go on Google and they're going to search pool cleaning company near me or pool cleaning company, and they're going to add their city name or their suburb or anything like that. And they're going to search, and then they're going to go to a website or a Google business profile, which is like a Google map. And they're going to take an action like a call or submit a contact form. Now, they'll probably see if you have some reviews and stuff like that, and then they're going to take an action. And then you get the call or a contact form, and then you reach out to them or you receive the call, and that's how you close the deal, right? This is the best sort of marketing in terms of like especially for home service businesses like pool cleaning companies and other type of companies, because people are already interested and they know what they're looking for. These are warm leads. These are like highly interested people that you need to close. And I see so many people run Facebook ads and they say, oh, it doesn't work. Uh, it's because Facebook wasn't built for this type of companies like home service businesses. Now, don't get me wrong. Um, you can run Facebook ads for your home service business, whether it's pool company or anything like that, because I have worked with multiple companies. Like once you get a cash flow, right? If you are making multiple like 6 figures, 7 figures, um, then you want to build your brand. So you already have customers that are coming from SEO, Google Ads, your Google business profile, but now you want to build a brand because you want to work with high ticket clients. You just don't want to work with anyone. You want to be picky, like you want to build your brand. At that level, you can run social media ads. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But if you are in a position where your main focus is sales, to generate sales, to make more money as fast as possible, there's nothing better than SEO. There's nothing better than, in general, search marketing, like Google Ads and stuff like that. Now, from our result and from working with other clients, we see SEO and Google Business Profile actually generate more leads, even more than Facebook ad, yeah, sorry, even more than Google Ads, is because people subconsciously avoid ads. It just became so, we just became so habitual with seeing ads that now we think ads won't serve us more relevant service, because we feel like what ranks organically will be the best result. So Google ad does work. Like if you want to instantly make some sales, then Google ads is absolutely fine. But for the long term, SEO is way better. Now, this is a short video, but I think this actually explain what the point I'm trying to make here is, that why SEO is actually better than Facebook ads for pool businesses. That's all from today. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you're a pool business owner, go to our website. The link would be down in the description. You can book a meeting with us, and that's all. Thank you.